Yeah, that's what you said last time. Yeah, well, why did you lie to me? You did too. You said you were going to your house. You didn't say you were going drinking. I'm going to go drinking. Bye. Do your homework, baby.
Oh, they stopped fighting. Can't wait until they stop fighting. Oh, it's not even been a minute yet. Mom, can't wait till the thing says 2 minutes.
What thing?
My video. I'm watching them.
Look, you didn't bring your... And look, those shards need to be hung out. That's your stuff. You need to put all that up.
Can I, Mom?
And pick your room up and do your homework.
Can I?
Hurry up then. 2 minutes.
Molly, no, 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 Molly. Stop. Stop. It's pure wrong. Action. Brownie. Right.
And go put it... After that, go first. Go put a bag in the charge. Then take all that stuff to your room. Right, and then pick your room up.
I mean that. I mean that. Fight.
They obviously don't want to.
I think they're pooping. Yep, Brownie's pooping. I think she made a tinkle.